This is not a rally, this is not a parade, this is a demonstration.
We had people who thought that perhaps we were a motorcycle club, which we are not. We are a veterans support organization.
Rolling Thunder brought the attention to the country about the needs of the veterans when they come home.
When you look at this incredible parking lot, this is about the stories of those people that are not here and also those that are unaccounted for.
We do it for a reason. We do it for the prisoner of war issue. We want to let Congress know that we have veterans out here that need help, and we keep them aware.
We understand that these are our brothers and sisters, our mothers and fathers that we're sending into harm's way.
For the Vietnam vets, the atmosphere when they came home is different. Our returning veterans today still face a lot of challenges, whether it's mental or physical, depending on what they were doing, but there's more mechanisms out there, and we try to help them.
We got to do the best we can as a general public to make sure that these gentlemen and women are brought back safely.
Our community and all our supporters that ride with us, that makes more presence than anything else because they're there. And year after year after year, that's a lot of dedication.
It's inspirational. It's an honor to be here, and I can't think of a better way to spend Memorial Day.
Welcome home to all our veterans, to our Iraqi and Afghanistan veterans.